Hey everybody, I just want to give you a quick update. Actually what I want to do is try to run through all the websites that I use to find all my parts in order to build the dozer. Reason why I haven't put up any videos and reason why you see this was my last video is, you know, I'm playing Army over here in the Middle East somewhere. But anyways, I just want to show you some stuff on here. Let's start with this one, Mcmaster-Carr. What an awesome website this is to find some parts. Very easy to navigate through. For example, we'll click on sprockets here. Those are the sprockets that you've seen. Hopefully, yeah, there we go. Just select on the sprockets and it'll narrow it down to a whole bunch of different types. The ones I went with were these ones here, and I went with it because it has little screws in here and it's a finished bore, and you can lock it on to that shaft. So over here on this side you can select what size chain it was. I believe the chain that I got was number 40, so I'll select that, and then I'll select, you can select it over here or you can do it over here, but get the finished bore and all your sizes come up. So what I did is went with the outside diameter, which is the third row here, and I went with whatever was closest. I think it might have been this one here. Well, actually I think I went with the hub diameter. Yep, there it is. So I think this is the one I went with. Let's see, 5/8. Yep, I think this is number T. So just click on there and order you a couple of those, and those are your outside drive hubs. So alright, next is Dimension Engineering, and here is your motor controllers. This is everything that you need to run the motors and linear actuators for them. So I got this one here. This is a Sabertooth by 2x25. If you click it open, then if you come down here at the bottom, this is all your PDFs right here. It tells you how to hook it up. A lot of you have questions about that, so let's see if we could open it up here. I'll see if I could show you a little bit of how that works. But while that's loading, I'll go to the next one, which is the eMotions. And this is where I got my electric actuators. So you just go over here to the side, click on mini actuators, and there they are. And I think I went with the 15-pound force. That's a 2-inch stroke. I think I went with the 6-inch stroke. So about $100. Too easy. Let's go back here. Okay, so the Dimension Engineering one opened up. Let's see if I can zoom this out a little bit so you can fit on my screen. So if you scroll down here, it tells you everything, how to hook it up. It even gives you kind of like the same setup that I have on the dozer. These are connected to looks like window motors, very similar to what I have, hooked up to your 12-volt battery. And if you scroll down some more, it kind of tells you how to hook up, there it is, hook up a receiver from your RC. So very easy to do. And then it tells you a little bit more how to mount it, then tells you how to do these switches. And if you come down, there it is. Then the other one I got was, this is the one that I used to move the linear actuators, so it's pretty easy. And they got a bunch of other neat stuff in here as well. If you're running a bigger one, I mean, they got some massive size ones. I mean, that's a pretty good size. So I just showed you that one. Then this, where are we at? Let me just close these out so I don't get them all mixed up. So this is the robot marketplace. This was where I got some of my parts, and as you can see, hey, they got that saber tooth here as well, but I would order it directly from the manufacturer itself. I ordered the first one I got. Well, I ordered it from here, and there was a problem with it, and I sent it back and to these guys. Then they had to send it back to Dimension Engineering. So this is just one less step that you really don't have to take. I don't know what all this crap is. I don't want to see it. Anyways, click on motors, then come down here. I went with the AME motors. Click on those. Then I think I went with the long shaft. So I think that's the one I got right there. So you got a right hand gear, then you got the left hand. Very important, because one's going one way, one's going the other way. So but they got all the different kinds of motors in here, different sizes and styles and things like that. So but pretty neat website. It has a bunch of different type of hardware, a lot of different stuff in here. So mechanical and drive. So they got their pulleys and shafts, and they got sprockets and everything too. But I went with the Mcmaster-Carr due to the fact that they got more of a selection. So, but pretty good place to look at it though. Another one, this is the Surplus Center. This is where I'm gonna probably use this website to build my next one, since it's gonna be probably gas and hydraulic. That's my goal. That's what I'd like to have, a lot more power. So I mean, you get all kinds of stuff on this website. It's pretty cool. This was recommended from a pretty good friend of mine. So let's see, we'll click on engines here, and they have different types, different vertical, horizontal. Let's see what they got here. And all different types. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, there is quite a few websites out there that sells pretty much all the same type of stuff. I got my battery from Walmart. It was a Power Wheels battery. That seems like it's been the best battery I've gotten so far. So anyways, I hope you're still enjoying the YouTube videos, and I may be a world away, but I can still answer your questions if you have them. So hope you're doing well, and hopefully I'll be back in the States here in about 7 to 8 months, and we'll get started on the new build wherever that video was. But anyways, stay classy.